article base. So let's choose a category, internet, and this would be internet marketing. So title should be 10 proven ways to make money online. Summary. Okay, as for the keywords, keyword there. Gold bar auto. Insert that one. Insert that one. Okay, and let's add a summary for the article. Okay, I placed the summary. So here's the summary. Want to get some good earnings in the internet? Find out here some proven ways on how to effectively make money online. Yeah, yes, I think this is enticing enough for the readers. Okay, so next is let's go and preview the article. It's better to preview than publish, not publish immediately. So let's say, okay, check for links. Okay, links are good. So let's publish it. 21, 6, 7. Submit. Okay, so the link, the article is still under moderation. So let's put it in here. Okay.